Why do some economics explainer videos get millions of views while others barely get watched? It isn't just the topic. It's how creators use motion graphics to tell a story. The best explainer videos don't throw information at you. Every animation, every chart, and every transition helps explain one idea. Today we'll use Fotor Video Agent to create such a video.
Great creators reveal one idea at a time instead of overwhelming the audience. One common mistake is thinking more animation makes a better video. In reality, great motion graphics reduce confusion. They don't create more of it. Fotor Video Agent can handle it all for you. The quality of your results starts with the quality of your prompt. I always describe the audience, the topic, the style, and the pacing before I generate anything. One thing I really like about Fotor Video Agent is that it plans before it creates. Fotor Video Agent first helps you generate a storyboard, which you can then edit. Then it creates a new storyboard based on our instructions. Next, it determines the tone and generates the audio. You can choose from a variety of voices. I decided to go with Hope. They'll also be automatically arranged for us on the timeline. Then it generates the video based on the script and automatically arranges it on the timeline below. The first draft is never the final draft. AI gets me started, but editing is what turns a good video into a great one. We can either ask the AI to make the changes or edit it ourselves. We can easily change the text however we want. Color isn't just decoration, it guides attention. I use brighter colors only where I want people to look first. We can also select specific elements and chat with Fotor Video Agent to make changes. And here's the final result. We turned a simple idea into an engaging economics explainer with polished motion graphics and a fully editable workflow.
Prices just fell for the first time since 2020. Why does everything still feel expensive? Inflation is a tug of war between three forces: demand, supply, expectations. Demand exploded after the pandemic. Rate hikes cooled it. War spiked oil. A ceasefire let gasoline fall nearly 10% in a month. Expect higher prices, ask for a raise, prices follow. Rent lags a year. Core inflation is still 2.6%. Watch which force wins. That's what your prices do next.
Fotor Video Agent helped turn a simple idea into a professional, fully editable educational video, all in one workflow. If you want to create your own motion graphics, explainer videos, or educational content, give Fotor Video Agent a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.